Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rahman Erlanto and you can call me Rahman. Right now I will presenting about inside the computer. So, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device that can process data and information, perform calculation, and run programs according to the instruction given. In other words, a computer is a tool used to process data and produce information. In simple terms, a computer receives input, process data, and produce output in various forms, such as text, image, or sound. Some important aspect about computers. The first one is physical components such as CPU, RAM, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and others that make up a computer system. The next one is software, a program or application that executes instruction and operation on a computer. The third one for important aspect about computer is programming, the process of creating and writing instruction for a computer so that the computer can perform certain tasks. Function. Computers are used for a variety of purposes, including calculation, word processing, data management, communication, entertainment, and many more. Computers consist of several main components, both hardware and software. Some of the main hardware components include motherboard, CPU, RAM, hard disk or SSD, graphic card, power supply, and several input or output devices such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, and speaker. Software includes operating system and various applications used to perform various tasks. And now we talk about hardware. The first one is motherboard. A motherboard is the main circuit board in a computer that connects and allows communication between all hardware components. The next one is CPU or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of the computer because it is responsible for executing instruction and processing data. The next one, RAM, Random Access Memory. RAM is a type of volatile memory used in computers and devices to store data temporarily while they are in use. So now for the input devices. Keyboard. The keyboard is used to enter letters, numbers, and symbols for writing documents, email, message, and other text-based content. Mouse. The mouse allows user to move a pointer on the screen and click to select or open files, programs, and menus. Microphone. Microphones are used for talking during phone calls, video calls like Zoom or Google Meet, and online meetings. So, right now is the output device. The first one is monitor. Monitors show the desktop, programs, files, and all visual content produced by the computer. Printer. Used to print text document like reports, essays, letters, and contracts. Speaker. Speaker are used to play music, audio recordings, and other sound content for entertainment or relaxation. I think that's it for my presentation about inside the computer. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rahman Erlanto. I'm from 19 to A01 Information System. So I'm gonna present you about software and operating system. So the first one we gonna talk about software. So what is a software? Software is the intangible part of a computer system, but it is essential to making the computer work. Software consists of computer programs, documentation, and various information that can be read and written by computer. Software is a collection of digital data that is programmed, stored, and formatted for a specific purpose. Although it has no physical form, software can be operated through a computer device. It functions as an intermediary between the user and the hardware, and it runs various programs and applications. Software plays an important role in everyday life. Without software, hardware cannot function properly. Software also allows us to perform various tasks, from processing documents, communicating with others, to enjoying digital entertainment. Next up is software features. Intangible or has no physical form, can be changed and updated, consists of instruction and data that are executed by the computer. Various types, from operating system to applications. It is essential for the continuity of hardware and various digital activities. Next is operating system. An operating system, or OS for short, is core software that manages a computer's hardware and software resources. The OS acts as a bridge between the user and the hardware, allowing the user to interact with the computer and run applications. Without an OS, the computer will not be able to function. So now is the main function of operating system. Operating system is software that is responsible for managing all computer activities, from memory, processor, to storage devices. The first one is managing resources. The OS allocates computer's resources or memory, CPU, to running application programs. The second one is providing a user interface. The OS provides an interface that allows the user to interact with the computer, or a graphical interface or a command line interface. The third one, executing application. The OS loads and executes application programs and manages interaction between applications. A computer's operating system is responsible for managing and controlling user access to hardware and software. Using the access rights and permission assigned by the operating system, users can perform specific tasks and access only those resources that are relevant to their role. I think that's it for my presentation about software and operating system. Thank you for watching. See you later.